What's up, everybody? What's good? What's good? Baldo, Romeo,
Hey,
May. So tell the people what you finna do today.
we're finna do the sunroof in my truck.
What truck?
Mine's nah, Paloma.
What year is it? What kind of truck is it? Before I show them to him.
It's all 08 Chevy Silverado, no single cab.
Silverado. It's not Silverado.
Tío, es una Chevrolet GMC, la del ojo.
It's right there. The Dove. There's the before. Before everything's cut up and done
These,
up.
I'm doing white.
What?
These.
White?
Yeah, it's gonna be white.
Why?
Because the headline is gonna be black. Cause I don't want to do all black.
Why not?
Cause it's not gonna look right. Cause I want this white.
You trying to be a panda or something or what?
Yeah. I don't know. I just want
If
to
you do white,
I
I'm
want
gonna make fun of you.
all one color. It's not. It's gonna look bad.
Yeah. Whatever you say. It's not my truck.
I don't want to do it all black. So it's not gonna look right.
You're not gonna look right.
Yeah.
Hey, show everybody your hair, man.
Nah, can't show my hair. My hair's.
Did
I look like shit, man. I look ugly.
I'm about to get some braids done. Well, there it is. We're gonna wait to see how it looks at the end. Romero, Caballo, you've been there for like 20 minutes. You boys always trying to go to sleep on the job site. Good morning to you. Meanwhile, that's another project right there. Little Kawasaki X2. We're not gonna fix the carburetor. Most likely the carburetor's bad. We gotta check the compression on the cylinders. Buy a new battery. And hopefully it'll turn on again. Look, almost on my twin. This one has a newer front. This is the kind of hood I want. Six out también, cam.
That's the hood on this thing.
Hey. This truck's going back to Dubai. ¿Qué onda, Baldo? You dark, cuz.
Hell yeah.
Let me give you some skin tone right there.
Prende el flash.
Romeo,
Foto el filtro, una foto con
córtate el pelo
filtro.
ya, güey.
El new model.
Córtate el pelo, güey.
Foto la greña, güey.
Es un little sneak peek.
Los peluqueros también comen, güey.
Te me como, güey.
Como que tú comes de más.
Te roban la comida a tu hermano.
Yeah. I gotta eat healthy, man. If you didn't eat healthy, that's not good.
Sí,
Look,
sí, ha hecho más
This is the shadow of Baldo. walking.
Shout out, Vado. Hey, where you at?
Where you at?
Now, this is the real Valdo. Saludos pa' quién, güey. ¿Y pa' dónde?
Ay, hermoso.
Ay, hermoso. ¿Quién más?
Ya, los camaradas de Chevrolet Truck.
Shit, he's back.
La madre.
Man, you think that hood, man? That shit, man.
What kind of transmission do you have? What kind of transmission do you have on that one?
460 people.
Built. What about the gears?
The gears 410.
410? That's
Yeah.
Almost the same setup.
What do you think about that truck, Romeo?
It's badass, man. Badass truck.
Ese es otro.
Badass. Do something burn out like that?
What year off of, is it off of?
For what?
The motor, what year is it off
The
of?
motor 2006, but the cover for 62.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
The filter? Is this for your brakes or no?
That's for oil.
the
For
oil?
the
Oh, blow by?
yeah. Just you tie this bar, see, and it's came the oil out, then fill in the oil.
Does your truck brake pretty good? Did
For
you,
what?
like, does it brake when you're just driving around and you hit the brakes? Did you ever lose power or?
Not good brake because I have service brake boost.
Oh, brake booster?
Yeah. Also the ABS on the brake flush. Maybe in 1 minute. Wanna take more?
No, it's good.
Okay, guys.
Alrighty, man. Romeo's headline here. Little update, really quick. Before it gets cut up. Enséñale el pelo, güey.
Huh?
Enseña las greñas.
Nah, man. I look like
A ver, really quick. Para los fans.
just sneak peek. That's it.
You excited? Entonces hazte para un lado. Que picas un ojo. You had to get them stretched out, estos? Yeah. ¿Qué motor trae esta?
33 stroker.
Sounds pretty good, man. You want to make a shout out to somebody?
Nah,
You want to show the motor or not?
yeah, está sucio, pero.
¿Cómo te llamas en esto, que
Un golpecito aquí.
Es que no trae el spring, el de ese.
El Romeo. Yeah. Todas las pulleys. Pulleys. Oh, también todo esto, the valve covers.
están
Engraved.
great. ¿Hiciste converting ahí también?
That looks good, man. ¿Sí quema o no? ¿Sí? ¿O sí quema? Te le das un pisoncito.
No sé, también a pasar a Saturday. I'll try to swing it.
You gonna try to swing it?
Okay, yeah. I've never swung it. Sí he patinado porque sí quema. Pero no, I don't know if it swings it. Quién sabe, hopefully it does.
I heard it. He's gonna try to swing it at Sideways Saturdays. It was 26 by 16. He's gonna try to burn it out. Coming along. I don't have to charge it though. I don't have to charge it.
We'll put it right there in the face.
Why? You gonna connect the phone? No, then I need to charge my battery. Put it back. Shut the OBS. I'm getting ready for some new headlights.